Meaning of ether.
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 Ether. Ether can have various meanings depending on the context, but in general, it refers to a substance that is thought to fill the universe and allow for the transmission of electromagnetic waves. In the context of chemistry, ether refers to a class of organic compounds with a specific structure. In the context of finance, ether is a type of cryptocurrency that operates on a decentralized, blockchain-based platform. Overall, ether typically refers to a substance or currency that facilitates communication or exchange in some form.